I'm in Pocahontas, Arkansas with, well, Pocahontas. And I want to tell you kind of the fun story of how they became the county seat and the mystery behind the name Pocahontas. So the Dr. Ransom Bettis family first settled this area that later became Pocahontas. Fun fact, his daughter was named Cinderella. So Pocahontas, Cinderella. His daughter Cinderella married a Thomas Drew, who became Arkansas's third governor. So as the delegations around Randolph County got together to vote on which of their communities would be the county seat, Mr. Bettis and Mr. Drew threw all the delegates a barbecue. At the barbecue there was a lot of spirited drink. Long story short, when it came time for a vote, only the Pocahontas folks, or Bettis Bluff folks, were not, well, passed out or otherwise influenced. So the vote went to Bettis Bluff to be the county seat, and at that time they changed the name to Pocahontas. Well, obviously the name Pocahontas came from the Pocahontas, but why? No one made a record so that we would really know exactly what their thinking was. One of the theories is that they were just looking for an exotic name to draw attention, kind of like we have Paris, Arkansas, and Egypt. Later on, just down the road, they named the place Powhatan. Another idea is that the county was named after John Randolph, a prominent congressman and planter, also a direct descendant of Pocahontas. So that could be a reason to name the town Pocahontas. There's kind of a link there between Randolph and fifth great-grandmother Pocahontas, something like that. No matter the hows or whys, Pocahontas, Arkansas is a beautiful town nestled right between the foothills of the Ozarks and the Mississippi floodplain. Thank you to onlyanark.com for sponsoring this video. Life is what you make it. Let's get our hands dirty.